I currently manage over 400k, and this is the steps that you need to take, starting by What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. It's been a while, and today we're going to be talking about how to get started in funded, a little bit of a journey of how I got into funded as well. But first, let's talk about today's trades and also my new setup. So if you didn't know, we have a signals group, which is where I send the pre-market analysis every morning, showing you areas and the plan of the trades for I have for the day. So plan your trade and trade your plan. So for example, I'm looking for a break and then the entry for a pattern A, and break below and then entry for a pattern A as well. First one triggered, and this was on a GBP USD short, ended up breaking out, had our entry, and then we sent this at 727. TP1 hit and then TP2 hits as well. So it's a very nice clean trade this morning where we broke pattern A, continuation, and absolutely melted. EU is actually melted as well, and it broke in priority as well, so that's crazy. DAX was another one. We can see this absolutely melted. I didn't get a trade on this, I really wish I did. And that was kind of the breakdown for the signals. The setup here is obviously we've got two screens. That one's connected to the laptop, and then a new monitor here which I'm going to unbox for you. So there's a cable here, HDMI to USB-C, power cable that comes with it, USB-C to USB-C. This is what it looks like. I got this one in specific because of the case. Best mate's little brother apparently said the case is confusing, so let's just see why he thinks it's confusing. Oh, let's see. That is confusing. I figured it out. It wasn't that confusing, Abby. Here we have it. It's connected to my laptop. This will be a second screen to work from. I've got this screen to work on whilst I'm traveling. We're aiming to travel in the end of October through November and December. Also, if you're traveling, one screen is not enough, so I look to kind of get a portable screen. It's only £127. Testing it, it looks really nice. I'll be able to keep my analysis up, keep the screen up, the trading screens, and to be able to trade on the go as well. Got this stand to hold it. This was £12. It is adjustable in height as well. You can obviously adjust this, different angles, different heights as well, he says. Which is good to make it stiff because you don't want it to randomly drop in. So that's the travel setup I've got. It's also just powered by USB-C, so I only need to plug it in once and then that's pretty much done. A little bit of an update of my funded journey if you're interested in trading. I've actually just started drop shipping, which will also be part of the next video as well, how I started, well, I've just started to get into drop shipping. I actually done some in the past, but this time I'm actually going with it with full force. This is a new project that I'm looking into. We're really excited about that. I'm learning and building a brand and I've got the ideas of it, so I'm looking just to share this journey on YouTube with you guys every single week. In terms of the funded trading, I have the 200k. I made some mistakes. I ended up losing part of that challenge, which was, you know, it sucks because it was live and I was in 20k profit. It was more the fact of greed over trading, I presume, and that's what I came to realize when I kind of reviewed it. I did another challenge and then I passed that, and that is now live as well. Funded trading has really pushed me, and I really am pro funded trading now because it's taught me a lot of different levels, a lot of different disciplines, and it's really humbled me. A little bit more about how I got into live trading. I currently manage over 400k, and this is the steps that you need to take. Number one, you obviously have to have a clear trading strategy, right? You can't actually trade without having a full strategy, and those kind of consist of, number one, what are your confluences, number two, what are the breakdown requirements, and number three, requirement entry, and number four, risk to the trades. And then you can have your risk management as well, which is what are you looking to risk in terms of percent, your goals, when to start and when to kind of stop. So just a little bit about the overall trading strategy and how to go. We also have a flow chart as well to dictate what it is you need to do. So you wake up, the charts come, what confluences are you for? Are there a requirement? Yes or no? No, you go back and you wait, same thing. And it's just like a process where you can just visualize and kind of go through over with. Another kind of resource that we are making at the moment is steps to become $1 million funded trader. So here we basically talked about step one. All you'd need is your 100k first. So prove to yourself you can actually pass the challenge, achieve this 10% with your goal, and then wait for phase two if you're confident to start another challenge or to move on to step two, or wait until you got your withdrawal and then you move on to step two, which will mean you start a 200k challenge with FTMO, meaning that your total management will be 300k. Pass 100k and then 200k 200k, which means total 300k. From there you get the max allocation, which is your 100k, so total 400k, plus a new 200k with my Forex funds, meaning your total AUM is 600k. You then do another 400k and you link that, and then that will be 1 million on there. From step 5, you stay consistent and you're able to grow this capital as well, because MO actually gives you another 25% if you've had 4 months consistent, and I believe my Forex funds also give you 30%, I think, after 6 months consistent or something like that. So you can actually increase that to like 1.1 million, maybe even 1.4 million, really depends on the rules. So that is a guide you could potentially follow. Things that you should kind of consider when you get into funded trading is really have a clear-cut plan. This plan has really helped me achieve my goals and made trading a lot more simpler for me, and that plan is basically I wake up, I have my pre-market analysis, I have my first trade which I put in, post-market analysis. I also send this into the signals group every single day. You can see yesterday's trade, which was GBP USD, was short, ended up smashing through TP1 and TP2, and we do the pre-market analysis at 6:58, and then our first trade was at 7:27. This hit take profit at 8 o'clock, and it ended up smashing through the rest of it at 8:27. Funded challenges are pretty interesting. It really changed the way I've kind of trade as well. I do think that you guys should definitely stay consistent with it and potentially try it out as well. So those are the steps to kind of help you get into funded trading. Have your strategy, have your risk management, and then also have your overall plan. So 3 nice simple steps, and I guarantee you'll be a funded trader in no time. Stay consistent with it. Remember, just because someone's done it in 1 month, or some people do it in 2 months, some people take 8 years. You have your own journey, you have your own timeline, and you have your own path.
The next morning.
So here we are on a Sunday, just doing some back testing, which I wanted to share because this is something that a lot of you guys kind of asked me how it kind of worked. Ultimately, I'll go back, do the whole first month of August, well, the whole month of August, replaying it and trading it and seeing what results I should have had. I'll do the pre-market analysis and then post-market analysis, and then here are the results so far on EdgeWonk, which is a video we're going to talk about actually, which will be uploaded. And EdgeWonk is a very, probably the best journaling trading platform out there. I've just only come across it recently. So currently 3R minus 2R and then 4R. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Funded is definitely a challenge. Follow my journey so far. With 200k live funded, we've got another 200 coming and another 200 coming as well. Just working really hard to try and get it. This year has been a lot of L's, just for me in general. I think like business wise and everything, but I think that's the case for everyone. But really and truly, even though that's the case for everyone, I'm in control of that. And the last message is the major key to success and the major key to anything in life is you. Only you can have the power to that, and that's a message for me. So the only person who can change everything and change my circumstance is me. So me, Dan Chung, which is we're going to rebrand. I'm just going to be Dan Chung. We'll still have WChamp FX, but the other version of me, Dan Chung, and the person I want to become, I need to be that person now so I can attract the things I want to attract. Sorry it's been a while with the videos. There are going to be more coming. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll answer them in a video format. Remember to follow us on TikTok. We're growing that. We've got banned, damn it, hit 5k, and they keep saying I'm impersonating and fraudulent stuff, but it is me. So and I worked really hard on TikTok too. Funded is definitely something I'm pursuing at the moment, so follow my journey to 1 million funded. I will keep you posted on like the trades, the breakdowns and everything. Okay, so see you guys soon. Peace.
Go, go, go.